everyone, this is just a quick instructional video on how to contribute to Remotion. As you can see, so far we have 45 contributors, so a few dozen people have already sent code to us. And if you would like to do so as well, if you would like to work on new features, include a bug fix, or just improve the documentation, we totally encourage it. We are super happy about it, and we would also like to help you even if you struggle during the process. So the first step you have to do is you have to copy the URL of the GitHub repo and type in git clone and then the repository URL. This will download all the source code from GitHub. It might take a while. Let's wait for a few more seconds until it's done. Okay, it's done. Now we go into this folder, and the first thing we do is we type in npm install. So this project uses npm. Don't try to use yarn. We just had to choose one package manager, and we chose npm. So again, let's wait a few seconds until it has installed all the dependencies. And it's done. The next thing we have to do is we have to type in npx lerna bootstrap. So Remotion is a mono repo. That means that there are multiple npm packages in one repository. So you can see here there is a packages folder, and we have a bunch of different folders. The main one is core, that's the Remotion package. And then there's CLI, this powers the command line and also includes like the preview editor. And it's also able to execute render commands, which brings us to the renderer, which can actually spawn a Puppeteer instance and render a video. There are a few more helper packages as well. And to keep them, since they depend on each other, we need to keep them in sync. And this is why we run npx lerna bootstrap. Now, since everything is written in TypeScript, we need to compile all the packages that it includes and make them react to our changes so that it compiles again when we change a file. And to do this, we type in npm run watch. And as you can see, it will start building all the packages. You will see some error messages in the beginning, but as all the packages are built and the dependencies get resolved, these errors will go away. And in this case, if you see that the errors are persisting, then you just quit it once and type in npm run watch again. And you only have to do this one time. And as you can see, all the packages are building. I'm quickly going to show you how it looks in the code editor. As you can see, we have our source code here. And if we change any file, let's just say this one, you can see that it is rebuilding everything. Also, it will automatically link the packages together. So let me just, as an example, go to any file. And as you can see here, I'm importing the core package. If I go to definition in VS Code to here, you're directly landing in this. And now for the final step, after you make some changes, you need to test it. And for this, you go into /packages/example and you type in npm start. And here we have some example compositions. They don't necessarily look super nice, but they act like as a testing facility for all the features. After you have made your changes, you can commit it. Ideally, you make a fork of Remotion, and that will then allow you to create a pull request once you have pushed to your fork. And if you made a pull request, we try to look at it within 1 to 2 days. And if you are struggling or you did not quite manage to build the whole feature that you wanted, you can still open a pull request, and sometimes we just finish off draft pull requests that people have sent. So definitely let us know anyways. And there are even some issues that have bounties on it. So for example, so this is the list of issues that have bounties on it at the moment. And as you can see, this one is funded with $60. We just assigned it to Mika today. And so far we have paid out a few $100s in bounties, even to some people who did not quite manage to finish off the pull request but have just started it. We still reward this because if you contribute to us, then you shouldn't have to do it for free. Also, there is the contributing.md file, which shows you all the instructions again for contributing to Remotion. If you struggle, feel free to reach out to me. The best way to reach me and other Remotion developers is via our Discord server, and there you can chat with us and we can quickly discuss all kinds of stuff. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm looking forward to your contributions.